Welcome today to another video, and today we are going to look at descriptive statistics in Excel. So we are going to look at how to compute the descriptive statistics, which is the mean, variance, and the deviation, skewness, sum, minimum, range, and all that. Yes, but before that, just take the 2 seconds to subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. Let's dive into the video. So the first thing, when you want to do descriptive statistics, you click on data here, up here, data, then click on data analysis, and it is be loading. And now you select from here, I want descriptive statistics, click there, then click OK. Then input range, the range is I want to find the descriptive statistics for monthly salary, experience years, and age. So I'll highlight all this column. I'll highlight like that, and then I'll click on. Remember to make labels in first row because we have added even the column titles. And then an output option, you can select either. You can say on a new workbook or on a new worksheet, but I want it to be on the same worksheet, so I click output range, and then I click on this up and down arrow, then drag to the position where I want it. I want it to be here, and then I click on summary statistics because that is what I want, and then I click OK. And then that's how you get your descriptive statistics. Since I don't want every column to have the same name, the mean, I just click here, Control X and Control V here. The same thing, Control X, Control V, Control X, Control V, and then delete these columns that have wordings. Delete this one, also delete this one. Then you can out of it the columns like that. The next thing is to check the main things. We have the monthly salary. You can see it has a skewness of, it's a positive skewness, which means is right-tailed. Yes, and that's how you do this descriptive statistics. In case you need further clarification, let me in the comment section. Please subscribe, please like, and share my video. Thank you.